Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about our April scent and warmer of the month because my kit has arrived. But before we dive in, hello, welcome if you're new here. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Also, if you want to become a Wickless Charm VIP, the link to my Facebook group is down below. Okay guys, out of it, let's go ahead and dive on in. So every month, Scentsy comes out with a brand new scent and warmer of the month, and they actually allow us consultants to get it early. And not only get it early, but we get it at a discounted price, and it actually counts towards our personal sales. So technically we're getting paid back on it. We're getting paid to buy it. And I love getting stuff early. I love it. I mean, it gives me time to get it in, and then I can actually smell the scent and test out the fragrance and make samples and take pictures of the warmers, whatnot. I love it. So I cannot believe it. April 1st is around the corner, and I already have my April Fool's jokes up my sleeve for my best friends. So in these kits, we actually get 7 full bars of the scent of the month, and we also get a pack of pods. This is the first time, well, not this month, but like 2024, this is the first time we've actually like started releasing our new scents of the month as pods. And they come in the kits, so that makes me very excited. I'm loving the color. I'm loving it. I like the scent too. We actually got a full bar in the March Whiff Box, so if you missed that video, it's still available. Here is the video right here. We also get a pack of the monthly specials flyers. We get rub and sniff stickers, and if you choose to add on the warmer, you get the warmer of the month as well. So first, let's dive into the scent, and then we're gonna open up the warmer. Here's the specials. So cute. So the April scent of the month is Sunshine Mango. This is a fruity fragrance family scent, and I have warmed it, and it had a very great performance. No, I do not remember what I warmed it with. I think I had this paired with like the leftover cubes for my Mother's Day collection whenever I was testing out those scents. But I had this in, or maybe I had this with Skinny Dippin'. I warmed it in the open concept part of our home, and it was a great it was a great fruity fragrance, good performance, definitely like a medium, more of a medium to high throw. Like I would say it's like in the middle of medium and like strong performer. But this one is red mango, spreads good day energy with a blissful blend of golden pineapple and tropical orange. So this is going to be available as a wax, a room spray, and a scent circle, and Scentsy pods, all at 10% off, only in April. And if you fall in love with the wax, you can add it to your Scentsy Club for Always Get My Bar. This one would pair perfectly with, I think I have scheduled a post in my VIP group talking about the hibiscus sunset. This is actually from the Happiness Blooms collection. This one intrigued me with the scent description. I mean, I'm going to be honest, like I'm never a big fan of the like the Epcot Flower Festival collections because they tend to be more florals, and I'm just not big on florals. But this is one of the new ones for the collection this year, and Hibiscus Sunset really intrigued me. It's so good, and it's so pineapple-y. It's so fruity. I love it, and I feel like it would warm really well with this. I even changed out my waxes in my office today because today is a work day. I put a cotton cleanup in there. I took out that sunburst bamboo, and I put this, and I'm loving the Hibiscus Sunset. But I feel like it would pair really well, especially if you're wanting like 2 newer scents. That would be really good to try together. Okay, are you ready for this? Here is the warmer of the month. It is so pretty. It's so pretty in person. I love the feel of it. I love the weight of it. It just, those little details, and like it might not mean much to some, but like to me, like it just makes it even more of like a good buy for yourself, like a luxurious item. I love her. So this is the rainbow warmer. I think that this would go perfect in a nursery, perfect in a little girl's room, or if you just love rainbows. It's more of a pastel color rainbow. This one is literally the name of it is Rainbow. It says, with happy colors and an optimistic glow, this rainbow joyfully brightens your world. So it sits a total of 4 inches tall. It is an element warmer. It has the plate on the back, and there is the heating element plate. And let's see, there's a 4 on the dish, so you can use, Scentsy recommends that you can use up to 4 regular Scentsy bar cubes in that wax dish to maximize your fragrance experience. This is a 120 volts and 60 hertz, 14 watt element plate. And not only, yes, like it is an element warmer, but when you turn this on, it does have like an LED lights on the inside. So you actually get lights through the rainbow. And I'm actually going to post some photos that some other leaders took. They were just so beautiful. I have to share these. They took these and they shared these with us for us to share too. These are pictures of the warmer actually turned on. It is like a, I don't know how to explain it. Like it's like a matte-ish feel and texture. And it's so pretty. So this is going to be a $55 warmer, but since it is the warmer of the month for April, you can purchase this for only $49.50. Only in April. And then after April, it's going to be only while supplies last. So definitely grab this. I feel like this is going to be a really, really popular one. She is so pretty. So pretty. I love her. But yeah, guys, that's it. That is the April scent and warmer of the month. These will be available starting April 1st. That's not an April Fool's joke. And yes, I will be doing an order list for April 1st. So if you want to get on my list for these items or maybe anything coming in April, like the Whiff Box, or, I mean, I don't know if we're going to launch anything on April 1st yet, but you can find me on social, or you can fill out the Google form link down below if that's easier for you. Just fill that out with your information. It'll come to me and I'll reach out to you before the 1st to finalize your order. Or you can send it to me on Facebook, Instagram, text me if you have my number, however you want to do it. That's it. I would love to hear your opinions down below and let me know, what do you think is going to be the May scent warmer of the month? I'm hoping for something very like tropical and summery. That's what I would love to see for May. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't watch me. Join me for only $35 in March, and I will see you in the next one.